Hello! In this video we will help you to get started with SentiMask SDK sample that shows how our software can be used together with Blender 3D. SentiMask is a software development kit for real-time 3D face tracking, facial pose, feature points, shape and expression estimation. It can be downloaded from our website. So let's get started. First of all, you will need to install Add OSC plugin for Blender, because we are using OSC protocol for data exchange between our sample and Blender. The plugin can be downloaded from a website. You can find a link in the description of this video. Scroll down to the bottom of this page and you will find an installation instructions. The plugin itself can be downloaded from GitHub. Just follow the link. Then download the zip file with the plugin. In order to install a plugin, we need a zip file. So once you have downloaded, make sure that it is a single zip file, because some other browsers or download managers automatically extracts archives by default. If so, you will have to recompress it. Now start the Blender and go to the User Preferences. Hit on Add-ons tab and click on Install add-on from file. Then navigate to the zip file that you have just downloaded, select it and press Install add-on from file. Once the plugin is installed, you will have to enable it by checking the checkbox. Then click Save User Settings, otherwise the plugin will not be enabled. Now you can close User Preferences window. If everything went OK, now you should see the Add OSC tab on the left side of the Blender. Now you can close the Blender. Go to SentiMask SDK bin folder, find and open Vincent.blend file. Blender will load the file with a character. This character's name is Vincent, and the original blend file can be found in cloud.blender.org. It is a production-ready character with lots of features, but we have modified it, leaving just his head and added certain expressions supported by our SDK. Now in the Blender, under the Add OSC tab, hit the Start button. Blender will start listening for OSC commands. Now you can start SentiMask OSC sample. Once the sample is opened, it will start tracking your face and it will send commands directly to the Blender. You can find all the source files for the sample under our SDK sample folder. Thank you for watching this video.